Zip! Today we're looking at this sweet hidden camera from Camduck. Previously I showed you the same camera, well, almost the same camera. This was last generation. This new camera is all black, so it doesn't look suspicious that there's something behind the black, whereas the previous version, I don't know, why is this area black right here? You know, it's kind of suspicious, right? The prong is facing downward like this, the ground prong. So when you mount it against the wall, make sure that your outlet is also facing down with the prong as well. This will allow you to rest the phone on and charge it, like so. I don't know if you ever charge your phone on the charger or not, but that is what it is. Whereas in the previous generation, the ears sticking upward looks like a cat, right? Looks kind of like a cat. On the top, there's the cover for the microSD card, but in this new version, the cover is directly in the back. So when you pop your SD card in, it stays well protected and hidden. Now just pop the cover back in, and there you go, and plug it into the outlet. I don't know how this camera works at night, but it's pretty amazing that there's no infrared light whatsoever coming out of it. It's amazing. So it stays discreet, hidden. There's no way you know that something is recording even at night. Below the camera section is 4 outlets where you can plug 4 devices in. On the top, you get one USB, USB-C, another USB. This unit does record audio as well and stream audio. The build quality is pretty good. If you're standing far away, yeah, there's no way you know that this is a hidden camera. Now to set up the camera onto your Wi-Fi network, you need this app from Camduck. Download and install it. Allow GPS while you're using it. Yes. You have to allow it, otherwise you'll have trouble finding the camera nearby. So be sure your GPS is on. Now go ahead and plug the camera into the wall outlet. Wait for the Camduck access point to pop up and connect to it. There you go. Now you can see the Camduck access point popped up. Go ahead and connect to it. It will ask for a password, so go ahead and enter in the password, which is Camduck66. Click on connect. When you connect to it, there's no internet, but that's okay. Go ahead and click on connect anyway. Now, go ahead and jump back into the app, and you can see that one camera found. Click on OK. Give it your Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password for it to connect it to your network. Getting onto your local Wi-Fi network might take a while. By the way, this camera is only 2.4 gigahertz only, so if you have 5 gigahertz, this will not work. If your Wi-Fi access point allows 2.4 as well as 5 gigahertz, go ahead and disable the 5 gigahertz. Allow only the 2.4 gigahertz for now, for this camera to jump onto your 2.4 gigahertz network. Once it's on your network, go ahead and click on it to view the live stream of it. Here you can tap on it with 2 fingers to zoom in or out. If you click on the icon at the upper right hand corner, it will let you go into the settings. Once you're in the settings, go ahead and change the camera name if you want. In the network information, you can see the IP address. Unfortunately, this is not OnVIF or RTSP, so there's no way you can view it on other apps. I have no idea what engineering mode is. If you click on it, it will let you turn it on or off. No idea what it means. By default, the resolution is 1080p, and if you click on 4K, then the image quality improves substantially, almost double. If you rotate the tablet around, it will let you go into full screen mode. On the top, there are several icons. For instance, if you click on the camera icon, it will let you save the photo onto your tablet or phone. The video icon allows you to record directly onto your tablet or phone. Of course, by default, everything is saved to the microSD card, assuming that you inserted the microSD card into the camera. Tap on the video icon again to stop the recording. Up top, there are several mirror icons. This lets you flip the image around, mirror horizontally or vertically. Use this icon to adjust the image accordingly. The left icon will let you go back into the portrait mode. And the right icon allows you to change the brightness or contrast. I left mine at default because it works pretty well. This camera does have streaming audio, so if you want to hear something, go ahead and boost up the volume on your device. I'm on a Samsung tablet, so all I have to do is press the volume up to hear what's going on via the camera. If you click on the bottom album, you'll see the pictures and the videos that we recorded earlier. And if you click on SD card, it will show you all the recordings that's going on into the SD card. There's no micro SD card now, so that's why you're not seeing anything. By the way, if you insert the micro SD card, you have to go into the settings and format that micro SD card for you to use it. So here we go. Let's go to the settings. Click on SD card settings. Click on formats. And now the videos will save onto the micro SD card. Formatting a 32 gigabyte does take a while, maybe about 3 minutes. Here's a sample clip looking at the night vision on the tablet. The night mode is actually pretty good. We are in a dark room, very dark room with absolutely no light whatsoever, and you can see all of the detail here. If you ever pop the micro SD card and insert it into your computer, laptop or whatever, you'll see this folder, record folder. Here you can see all of the dates. Right now we're only doing 1 day, so that's why you'll see November the 6th. And then it's divided into hours. So it's military time from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Let's go into the 6 p.m. Footages are recorded in 10 minutes increments. What does that mean? That means if you record 12 minutes and you stop the camera for whatever reason, then you only get 10 minutes of recording. You lost the 2 minutes completely. So let's click on a file and see what it looks like. Even though the settings is for 4K resolution, we're only actually getting 1080p. I have no idea how to change it from 1080p to 4K, but if you do, please let me know. Here we can actually verify the resolution in VLC by hitting Ctrl-I. Going into the codec, you can see that it's using the H.264 codec, and the resolution is 1080p. So yeah, even though it's advertised as 4K, we're not actually getting 4K at all, or at least I can't figure out a way to get 4K onto it. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.